G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here at Port Melbourne beach with my mum, as you can see there, and Steve. We're going for a bit of a walk. Melbourne's lockdown restrictions have been eased from 5 kilometres to 25 kilometres away from your home. So we thought we'll come out and have a bit of a walk here at Port Melbourne. So we'll just get off the bike path here. Just go for a little walk. It's pretty breezy. I just flew the drone for about 5 minutes, and it was pretty gusty. Like the drone was hovering and it was going from side to side, so I thought I'm not going to risk it over water, especially when it was up to 25 to 29 kilometers per hour winds. So it can handle it, but I thought I just didn't want to risk it after so many months. And as you can see there, it's a few people out riding their bikes, because as of yesterday, Monday I think it was the 19th, they went from 5 kilometers to 25 kilometer radius from your home, so you can go out and there's no time limit anymore. It used to be 2 hours a day for exercise. Now you can come down to the beach or wherever as long as it's within 25 kilometers and stay all day if you wanted to. So we thought we'll take Steve, there he is, Steve, for a bit of a walk today. Okay, we're back again now, so we're just walking along here at the Port Melbourne Foreshore, and I'm just recording where we're walking. Mum's got Steve behind me, there she is there, and Steve just walking around. And as I mentioned earlier, it's only 18 degrees Celsius, but there's a bit of a breeze here, and my drone app says it's wind gusts up to 29 kilometers per hour. Drone can handle it, but it does get a bit unsteady once you get a bit of a wind gust. As you can see, the ocean's pretty dark looking, not that crash hot, not great for swimming. Not that there's anyone in there for going for a swim, but. And here up on the left we have all the rich people that have houses. Great during summer here, right on the beach. And just up ahead we have Princess Pier, which is the first pier that we're coming up to. And then after that, in the distance, you'll see that white and red ship. That's the Spirit of Tasmania. That's the ferry that goes to Tasmania. So we'll gradually make our way down to the ferry. But yeah, these are the people that live right on the beach. So each apartment in here would cost probably over $1 million. Welcome back. This is Princess Pier. We're not going to explore it right now because we're going to head down to Station Pier. But as we continue our walk here on the foreshore here at Port Melbourne, you can see some of the apartment style living, and we're right on the water's edge here, as you can see, and the water looks pretty brown and not too inviting at the moment. We're in spring, so it's still pretty chilly, but it'd be great living in one of those apartment blocks up there, but it would probably cost you an arm and a leg to live there. But you get great views here at Port Melbourne. My parents came from Greece in 1967, and they came by ship, and you can see there in the distance that's Station Pier, and they came by boat. And basically when they came here, none of these high-rise apartment blocks were here. It was just basically houses and cottages and just empty land. But that was 50 odd years ago when they came here at Station Pier. So if you had the money back then to buy a couple of houses here, you'd be a multi-millionaire now. Getting closer to Station Pier there. You can see Spirit of Tasmania 2. There's two of them. There's Spirit of Tasmania 1 and 2 obviously. So we're getting closer to the pier, about 100 odd metres. But we're getting there slowly because Mum's going slowly with Stevie here. We just got to keep an eye on him because he's we don't want him to jump in the water, so we've got to be careful with him. Come on this side, Steve. That's it. Come on this side. That's it. Hey, buddy. Hey, little buddy. Here you go.
Bye bye. Bye.
It looks like they're loading up the Spirit of Tasmania ferry in the distance there. We might turn back later and go in there and have a look. There's a tram there, goes to the city. Here at Port Melbourne, as you can see. So you can hear them loading up the ferry. It usually leaves at about 7 o'clock each night, so it's pretty cool. Then we have Beacon Cove food store there, and we've come from that direction. We're walking towards the ferry. There's like a little viewing area here. That's all the truck yards there for the freight and logistics. As you can see, the beach here at Port Melbourne. A few people on the beach, not many. But we're here towards the viewing platform of Port Melbourne, so we can see the ferry. As you can see in front of us. I was going to send up the drone, but it's getting a bit breezy down here today, as you can see, a bit rough. That's all the shipyards there for the all the freight going up there. They've got like a little bridge going up to the top deck, going into the top deck there of the ferry. There's two decks obviously down the bottom. Like I said, I would have loved to have sent up the drone, but yeah, it's just a little bit breezy today and I just don't want to risk it.